This is LeetCode problem 125, valid palindrome. A phrase is a palindrome if, after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string S, return true if it is a palindrome, or false otherwise. Now, let's look at an example. We have a string with uppercase, lowercase, alphanumeric, and non-alphanumeric characters. Step 1 will be convert all of them to lowercase. Then that will be A underscore exclamation mark B C D underscore B A. Step 2 will be using two-pointer technique to compare the values. So we use left pointer, point to the first character here, and using right pointer, point to the last character here. A is equal to A, and then we can keep moving two pointers inwards. Then that will be left pointer, point to underscore. Underscore is a non-alphanumeric value. Then we need to skip it, keep going. Now left pointer is pointing to exclamation mark, which is also a non-alphanumeric value, so we need to keep going. Now we reach a letter, which is the alphanumeric value. Then we are good for left pointer. Now we need to move the right pointer inward. Then we need to compare the value. B is equal to B. So we keep moving inward. Left pointer point to C, right pointer point to underscore, which is a non-alphanumeric. Then we need to keep moving. Now the right pointer is pointing to D. C is not equal to D. It means this string is not a palindrome. Then we should return false. Now let's code it up. We convert all characters in the string to lowercase. Then we initiate left pointer, right pointer as 0 and the length of string -1. Before left pointer meet right pointer, if we encounter any alphanumeric characters, we need to skip them. So we use isAlnum function here to check if it's an alphanumeric value or not. One thing to call out here is we still have left less than right in both lines of code, even though we already have it in the beginning. This is because when we try to skip non-alphanumeric characters, it is possible left pointer will meet the right pointer or pass the right pointer. That's why we still need to have a condition here. If characters at left and right pointers don't match, string is not a palindrome, then we need to return false. If characters at left and right pointers match, then we need to keep moving both pointers inward. After comparing all character pairs without returning false, the string is a palindrome. Then we should return true. This is a summary of how we solve the problem. Time complexity is O of n, space complexity is O of 1.